This is the BELLANCA SKYROCKET, and it's basically complete now. Just needs a lot of finishing off, and I just thought I'd show at this stage a few of the little features anyway. So this is the the NACA speed ring. North American Aerodynamics developed this speed ring, and the idea was to put it around a radial engine, and it would give the maximum streamlining and the maximum cooling as well. So I can either use the speed ring up front and hide the electric motor inside, or use this beautiful single bank of a radial engine that Laurie built for me, and that would look really impressive. I've made the lift struts today, and I've devised a system of taking them on and off. I've got these little flanges here which go onto the fuselage struts, and then in the wing as well. These are held in place with R-clips, and those just need to be sanded and finished off. I've also got the tail assembly here as well. I'll just show you what it looks like with the tail on and turn it round. It's quite a big model, isn't it? It's 60 inches wingspan, so it's big enough for my car anyway. So there we go. Okay, and we've got this huge tailplane, this massive tailplane, which is a feature of the BELLANCA, and a really distinctive shaped fin and rudder, so they'll go on there like that. Okay, I've not glued those on yet because I've got a little bit of work to do on the nose section where the motor goes. Just waiting for the motor at the moment in the post. And I'll just turn it over, you can see underneath as well. It's just like the full-size aeroplane. It's a very robust machine. And these BELLANCAs, they pioneered a lot of the air routes, and also they served a lot of the community in the Alaskan community where other aircraft couldn't reach, and these could literally land anywhere, virtually anywhere. They fitted these on floats, they fitted on skis, or the conventional undercarriage as well. It's a real pioneer machine. So there's the BELLANCA anyway. That's an update on it. I thought it best to do a little video rather than take lots of photographs. I always use heavyweight tissue. Sometimes I use double layers of tissue. Very strong and light. I'm not a great lover of iron-on films, to be honest. To me, they're not very. I like a natural finish, and this is Ben Buckle heavyweight tissue, and I love it, absolutely love it. And I used to apply that. I use Solvite. Always use Solvite water paste, which is actually like a tissue paste, but it's a lot cheaper than tissue paste. These are about a fibre tube, whereas you wouldn't get much in a small tube of tissue paste. And that is the sole adhesive that I use for the covering materials. And also you can use it on coloured tissue as well. You can cut out the markings in coloured tissue or dye your own, and then apply it with the Solvite as well. The wing is screwed on. My favourite method, literally wood screws or any sort of conventional screw. 2 at the front and 1 at the back, and they go into hardwood blocks. And I've never had one foul yet. I've literally aerobated these models around in the past with this sort of fixing, and I've been using this for over 50 years now. Never had any problem at all. Much better than those horrible threaded wing bolts you get, which twist and get all out of shape. So that's the fixing for those. I like my ailerons accessible, so I put the ailerons on the top surface of the wing. Don't care what anybody says. A lot of full-size aircraft have got ailerons attachments on the top of the wing, and over these will go some covers, some litho plate covers over the aileron area as well. So it just got to put a few servos for the elevator and the rudder. The wing servos are all installed. Fit the motor. I may paint it I may fly it just in primer, but I've got some ideas for colour schemes. There's some very attractive colour schemes for these. So there you are. There's the BELLANCA SKYROCKET, and the next report will be when it's virtually ready for flight. Thank you very much for watching.